Okay. Getting myself in position. Oh. So. We're on a grass runway? Don't think so. Right. Don't think we've got enough room to get off on that, have we? Oh, we'll hook up again over there. Need to move that cable to this side. Right, that'll do, that'll do. Okay, what have we got on here? Right, well, we need to be over there for a start. This is the huge American Globemaster, look, the Globemaster 3, I believe. Now the RAF have got a few of these on lease from Boeing, and they love them, they think they're great. However, they've got to have the A400M, which is to replace the Hercules, and they don't want the A400M. They'd rather keep the Globemaster and the Hercules. It's all politics, I suppose, isn't it? So, we've got a bit of a tailwind today, very light by the looks of it, so we'll go from this end. We need the tarmac runway. As we go onto the tarmac, we need to slow the aircraft right down. This thing does have reverse thrust. Excellent. We always go from grass to concrete very slowly, just in case there's a problem. I can stick to the taxiway today. I don't really need to stick to the taxiway here because there's so much concrete going on. But I'll do it just to show you I can do that. Okay, I'll just check the spoilers, air brakes work. Yep, they're all functioning. Let's see if the flaps work. They're quite slow to come into effect, but yeah, they seem to work. Flaps up. Big old beast this, look at this. We're supposed to keep that nose wheel on the yellow line, that's the guideline, if we can. When we're being tested and things, we need to be following all the rules, following the yellow line. I just cross and sail onto the runway a lot of the times, but Okay, we're ready for departure. Line up. There's no sign of what holding point this is supposed to be. Okay, we're going to select one stage of flaps. Runway 10, nothing coming on the approach. I'm using the tiller here to steer. I can twist the grip for the tiller because the rudder pedals don't give me enough degrees. Okay, here we are. This is one of the reasons I've picked Manston for my flights, is because, oh, look at Concorde for example. I need a dirty great long runway for Concorde. Okay, we'll start to pick up the power. Flaps are set, spoilers are in. We've got full power on all 4 engines. Okay, I'm happy with that. Brakes off. As I say, we've got one stage of flaps, and if I need another stage, I can deploy them as and when. And as we're accelerating down the runway, we've got to think, are all our engines working properly? Is there a problem? Because if there's a problem, now's the time to put the brakes on and stop while we've still got enough runway to do that. Okay, we're up at 100, 120, coming up now. Back pressure, start to put back pressure in there. Okay, we haven't got enough runway to stop now, I don't think. Okay, I'm going to give it one more stage of flaps. We're airborne, gear up. So perhaps 2 stages of flaps would have been a better option than one. 160, 163. Okay, I can take 1 stage of flaps up. Still producing full power. 500 feet. Got 5 degrees in the climb. Still accelerating. I'll wait till we get to 200 knots before I raise the last stage. Stall one up. Okay, last stage is up. We are coming down. I need to be coming up. 270. So we've got a good airspeed. What is that noise? Is that a stall warner? No, I don't think it is, but it's some sort of warner. Okay. We've got 270 now. 280. And to bring the power back a bit. Really want to know what that noise is. Don't like strange noises. Everything's up. It's even trimmed in, look. I don't know what that is. 270. 270. It's obviously some sort of warning telling me something, but I don't know what it is. So let's see if we can land it now. Okay, where's the runway? It's over there. We've got a bit more height up. I think we're down to 900 feet again, so we'll try and stay at above 1,000. Oh, that noise has stopped. I don't know what that was telling me. I really don't. Okay, going to increase the power now. Okay, we'll start the turn and we'll 260. We'll lower the gear, so that'll take a while to come down. Continue the turn all the way around. What speed should we land this at? Good question. I'm guessing about 140. Okay. So we've got 250 and we're slowing slightly. We've got 5 green lights there. Got runway ahead. Level the wings. Bring the power back. Okay, we'll raise the nose now just to get this airspeed down. 140 you reckon? Okay, we'll have one stage off. Have 2 stages off. Speed's dropping off nicely there. Down to 200. Nose down, runway in sight. Lanston Globemaster, full stop. Number 1, clear to land. Okay. Reverse thrusters are working. 190, okay, we'll have the lift dumpers out. And we'll have another stage of flaps.
Sync rate, sync rate,
Okay.
sync rate, sync rate, sync rate.
And we rectify that by raising the nose slightly. 180, 170, 170,
Sync
160.
Sync rate, sync rate, sync rate, sync rate, sync rate, sync
Okay.
rate, sync
Lift
rate,
dumpers
sync
can go
rate.
in.
Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Sync rate, 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 sync
Kick it
rate.
straight.
30, 20, 10.
I'm on the brakes, I'm on the brakes. Okay, lift dumpers in, flaps up. Trickle of power. And we're down. Welcome back to RAF Manston, to the Baron Flying Club on the US Air Force Week. And we've just been flying in the Globemaster 3, which is a huge airlifter. Okay, it's not really my thing. Okay, I will say that. I'm sure it's far too big to go in our hangar, but I'm going to taxi there anyway, just for the photos. This goes to prove if you can fly one plane, you can fly them all. Really, literally, you just have to apply what you've learned to that type of aircraft, and clearly my license does not cover me to fly this. I would need a type rating for that, for certain. But just goes to prove that, I mean, that'll tell you what all the noises are and which buttons to press, for example. So there you are, the big airlifter itself. Cool. Thanks for watching.